Good morning, everybody. In Universal Human Values, today we are going to discuss about self-exploration as the process for value education. In human values, you know it very well, whatever is said is taken as a proposal. So we have to verify it on our own, and on that basis, we have to accept it, which is called as natural acceptance. So the needs for a human are very huge. Some are required for the body and some are required for the soul. The needs which are required for the body is called as physical facility, and always the physical facility is temporary in nature. And for the soul, it always requires right understanding, and that right understanding will always be permanent, which leads to continuous happiness. Why our body needs comfortability? Like, for example, our body will be more comfortable if we are in an AC room, or if our body will be comfortable if we always travel in a four wheeler, or if we want to travel in a flight, our body will be more comfortable. See, whatever is required for the body, whenever a body requires some need, we have to provide it. And it should be clear that you should not deny anything to your body, because if we deny it, it leads to self denial. So on the other hand, whatever is required, you can provide it, but it is not that only with that things alone it leads to happiness. It, you should not think that only with that facility or only with that thing your body will be more comfortable, and it always leads to happiness. Always the body needs which is required for the body has an end, but for the soul the needs are endless. So right understanding starts first within an individual, it moves to the family, it extends to the society, and it spreads to the universe. And always this right understanding is required for the self, which is to be continuous. Now let us see what is the difference between body and soul, and skill versus values. See, whatever we do, the activities that we gain or gather with the body, that we call it as skills, and the needs or the values which is required for the soul is called as the values. Consider a person with more values and no skills. He is useless to the society. On the other hand, a person with skills but no values, he is dangerous to the society. So body and soul always needs to be satisfied, which leads to continuous happiness, and on the other hand, which always leads to prosperity. Now, what is the self exploration? Self understanding of oneself is called as self exploration. Some people consider that I am okay. The problem is with the others. Some people will think that I am not okay, others are good. But some other people, set of people say that I am not okay, and the others also are not okay. See, self exploration is quite important for mutual fulfillment. So always we have to explore ourselves. What is within ourselves? We may have some talents, or we may have some negative thoughts, or we may have some problem within ourselves. So our work is to explore it. So self exploration is the beginning step for everything. So it is an activity which is given to you children. What if you are being ignored in a crowd? What if you are treated with ingratitude? What if your love is not reciprocated? And a family with everything, with no smile, and a poor family with more love welcomes you. Which will be more preferable? These are some activity questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.